Hello everyone, this is another video brought to you by Lake Worth Beach Mortgage. Today we're talking about this is what takes place the first week of your mortgage. Getting your offer accepted, disclosures from the lender, underwriting from our lender, home inspection, checking insurance, ordering the appraisal. Offer accepted. Let's say you were looking around over the weekend and your realtors not only found a great home at a great price, but they negotiated a good deal. They prepared the contract and it was accepted. Now it is Monday, so this is where your local mortgage broker jumps into action. Disclosures are sent from the lender. Our favorite lender is the largest in the country, and literally they have 9,200 associates in 2 buildings waiting to help us. Of those 9,200 people, 1,200 cover technical support, which includes your disclosures. I will send you the initial disclosures. After reviewing and asking any questions, you will be able to e-sign on your phone or on your PC. This is day one. Day two, we have same day underwriting. Out of those 9,200 people in 2 buildings, about 500 of them are underwriters. If I submit your loan on day two, we will have our conditional approval complete with underwriting summary by the end of the day. The underwriter calls me and we go over it together to make sure there are no hiccups. Getting your home inspections. In every contract, there is a section that addresses how long the buyer has to inspect the property by a licensed inspector, usually 5 to 10 days after effective date of the contract. This is actually an opportunity for the buyer to find flaws or items that need to be fixed and maybe lower the purchase price or get some seller paid closing costs. Quote, once the inspections are done, send them to me and I will start shopping your insurance. This is a big deal in Florida because insurance can be expensive and at the same time, many of the homes are over 50 years old. I have a great insurance agent who has many sources besides Citizens, which is the underwriter of last resort in Florida. Appraisal. Once we have our approval and the inspections check out, we order the appraisal from the lender's appraisal management company. This is actually the slow link in our loan in that it usually takes 6 to 8 days. Most purchases that we handle take about 2 to 3 weeks to close. The closing celebration. Once the appraisal comes back okay with an appropriate value, it gets signed off immediately. Then we start thinking about what day is a good time for your closing. At the closing, we explain all the numbers that will look a lot like the numbers on your initial loan estimate. Here at Lake Worth Beach Mortgage, we want to be your lender for life, so I will stay in touch with you after closing as well. Thank you and have a good day.